TikTok Macau Food Talk. I take Omunse. What's up, guys? Today I got a special guest for you. He's a DJ, he's a b-boy, he's a barber, he's an entrepreneur. Who is he? Let's find out. Hey, it's my boy Rock Lee right here. Born in Macau, raised in Macau. Now what are we gonna eat?
We're gonna get some local minchi.
That's right, minchi.
Yay.
Let's go. So why is minchi your favorite food?
I grew up eating it. It's like my home staple, and my mom's always cooked minchi. I remember when she cooked it when I was young, and immediately became my favorite food. I believe that's like every Macanese boy favorite food too.
What's that again? Favorite food?
Favorite food, yes. How delicious.
Good. 好卡位啊！
兩個禮拜。
2個禮拜，有咩真係禮拜？
都係禮拜。個問題，知唔知？即係開嗰間個，即係呢樣嘢係文化。
講咩你呢度㗎？
呢個我要睇一睇嘅。係啊，跟住。Comes the egg and rice.
So Rocky says mix the chili with the minchi and the egg and the rice. Mix minchi.
Egg, some rice. Boom.
No jokes, no lies. So thanks for taking me to the best minchi place that I've ever been to. What makes this minchi so special? What does this dish mean to you, man?
The Macanese boy, minchi is always our favorite dish that our mom make, and because of how hip hop culture, barbering, all that is taking me around the world. I've been traveling and all that, but I always crave for minchi because that reminds me of my mom and my home. So this is like something that I can go, like I can be at home away from home if I have a good dish of minchi. So I always want to feel like home whenever I go.
You know, it's interesting that you tied your barbering experience with food because you travel a lot. You actually tied that to minchi because you really miss it, and then I guess that's one of the Macau cultural things.
Yeah, it was like, for me, it's like there's a lot of things in my life that I feel I can connect with people. Like, no matter what language do you speak, I can still give you a haircut because it's a universal language. So when we have a nice haircut, a nice conversation over food, and then conversation about music, these are the things that you can connect with anyone immediately.
How did you get into this barbering culture? Since Macau didn't really have that, how did you relate to it? And what made you think that opening a barbershop in Macau would actually be successful?
Well, throughout my years being a b-boy, I always seen a lot of b-boys in the States. They have really nice face, and I always wanted to do the haircut. Like, I couldn't get anyone to do it in Macau. So I learned to do it myself, and I started doing it on my friends, and I fell in love to do barbering. So ever since with that, I had a dream to open my own barbershop so I can provide that kind of haircut and service to people.
I got one question for you. How do people react when you're traveling around and they know you're from Macau? What's their first impression of Macau?
When I tell people I come from Macau, they will remember Macau that has a huge tourism, and also we have a good amount of East and Middle West kind of heritage and history. Yeah. But last but not least is the food that we have, because we have a lot of varieties like Portuguese, Macanese, and also a lot of good Southeast Asian food in Macau. So we have a deep culture of food as well.
Not only like Macau specialized food, but international food. We have some world-renowned chefs here. We actually do have like Michelin 3-star restaurants and everything. If people would like to enjoy classic food, but what I recommend is like the local food to Macau. That's the kind of food you need to try when you come to Macau. Alright man, so that's it for today. I had some really good minchi, the best minchi in Macau. Any one of you guys traveling to Macau, definitely have to try out the food.
Y'all get a friend, local friend like Tick.
That's right.
Get a fresh from broccoli.
That's right. Alright man, way out. Peace. See you next time.